So here are my
Serena.
so here are my friends from my previous work, and they came here to visit me after several months. Now I just would like to interview them, then ask several questions, like if you have a message for me, because it's been months since the last time we've seen each other. So this is Mommy Miles. I'm sure you know her very well if you're a regular watcher of my videos. Now, Mommy Miles, do you have anything to say? Myla, bumalik ka.
I'm not very good at this, impromptu. But we came here because we miss Sir Martin. I've been viewing him on the YouTube, and I'm really touched by his songs. We miss his leadership. I hope we can take him back. That's all.
That's all? Okay, thank you. What do you see yourself in 10 years?
Contestant number.
Thank you, contestant
By then
number
I'll be
one.
retired. But
So-
still alive, huh?
Okay.
Okay, that's all.
Alright, thank you. So that's contestant number one, running for the title of Miss Philippines 1930 joke. Okay, let's go to the next contestant. Miss Bambi. Bambi, how are you today?
I just came from the seashore.
Okay.
I'm a mermaid actually.
Alright, so you're also vying for the Miss Philippines title.
Yeah, but that would be, I think, Miss Baluga Philippines.
Okay.
What is
So,
Baluga? It's
how
kind
was
of a
your-
negroid for
How was your experience
human.
in the contest?
It was fun. I had a lot. Totoo, no?
Yeah?
I have got to meet a lot of beautiful people, like Mommy Miles and Myla Gallen, and of course our handsome host here, who's quite a director, the script writer, the all-around man with this video. He's even the rigger and all things like that, technicals, I don't know, things like that. Okay, what I'm going to say, more
Okay, well, the question first is...
sure.
Yeah, there's a question, because this is a beauty contest. Okay, Mommy Miles, could you help me think of a question for Bambi?
Hey, I want you to see. I want
Okay.
you to see the.
Oh yeah, well, before we ask her a question, she's going to show us her talent. So this is going to be the talent portion of this contest.
I'm going to let you see some of the moves, some of the routines that we've had for our packages that we have, because we're going to have a dance competition this November 9th.
Oh yeah, for people out there who don't know, Bambi is one of the famous dancer here in the Philippines.
No! Oh, dear, my city.
Okay.
No.
Okay, Bambi, go ahead, show your stuff.
Okay, this is quite of a crumping type of dance. Here it goes, okay? Please hold, okay? That here. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yun lang. Kasi nakalimutan ko kasi yung ganun pa pala yun. O, diba? That's it. Then, we have this kind of adjusted thing. This is another sequence. Let me check. I've got to be sexy, so I have to feel sexy. And excuse me, bench, for that. Okay. Ooh. No. What was that again? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Napagod ako.
Look at Bench. He's like following you and
That's
wants to
it,
dance as
folks.
well. Okay.
It's okay. I'm going to invite you November 9th. That would be in A venue in Teddy. 300 pesos per ticket.
Would you like to
if ever
say-
you're in Fiji, go right here in the Philippines, buy your tickets, okay?
Okay. Any sponsors you would like to thank for, or?
I'd like to thank Bello Medical Group. Joke lang. And Health and Beauty Salon. Who else? Rica Reyes Studio. Here pala. That's it.
That's it?
I'm so tired.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
So thank you so much for that wonderful talent
Kasi
portion.
lang, hindi ko na
Now,
ayos.
Bambi, I think we should move on to the question and answer portion.
I thought we were done. We're not done yet.
Yeah,
Is that
we're not
it?
done
Is the
yet.
challenge for
Myla, you have to get ready. You're next. So, Bambi, just a question. In view of all of the achievements that you've had so far.
I didn't have any achievements at all. It's just for fun.
Really?
Yeah, yes, just for fun.
But in view of all of that, because I know you're trying to be humble, you don't want to boast about your achievements, but where do you see yourself 10 years from now?
10 years from now, I don't know, maybe in Davao City. I'm going to retire. I'm going to have a family. I'm going to have like a dozen of babies. Wow.
Who's the
From
father?
different persons, from different fathers, international. So I can have a United Colors of Benetton family type, you know.
So one of the father would be like ours.
No way. I'm not judging or I'm not discriminating here. It's just that I don't want to foresee things which I know would be out of reality. I just take what life goes. I just take what life gives me, come what may. Wow, no.
Okay.
But I do hope for that particular man. But I don't think so. I don't think that it's on my. I don't think that's on my mind right now because that man have left me, have crushed my heart. I loved him so much, but I trusted him a lot. Wow, social.
Okay.
And that's it. I don't know if I'm going to meet another man like him, the thing that has given me the most is his love and his.
The first guy you ever loved in your life.
Yes. No. Wait. The 10th guy that I've ever loved in my life.
The 10th guy. Okay.
The 10th guy that I ever loved in my life. It's okay. There's 11 more. There's 11 person, don't worry.
Okay.
So, it's just all, I'm just kidding there, guys.
Yeah, she's just kidding, guys. I mean, some people out there might take this video seriously. We're just having fun here.
Yeah.
Oh, I think there's the pizza that we ordered.
Yay! Thank you.
Thank you so much for that wonderful interview, Bambi.
Yes.
Now we will go to the last but not the least contestant, and that's Myla. So we'll have to chase after her because she's running from me. And then she locked herself inside a washroom. Myla, it's your turn.
I'm doing something in here.
Oh, you're doing something? Okay. We'll have to wait for you then. You change your mind? You don't want to run for the title of the Miss Philippines pageant? Okay, well, thank you for that very, very wonderful interview. It's just a one question. And you answered it very briefly. Thank you.
Hey, the pizza guy is here.
So here's the pizza that we ordered.
Here's one. My favorite pizza boy. Pizza guy. Come over here.
Sige, pasok ko.
Ay, doon tayo lang. Okay lang. Sige, upo ka dyan. Uy, bayad natin. Si Myla nagtatago na.
Ayaw nga maglumabas ni Myla eh. Magkano po lahat?
Sir, ito po yung receipt. Bali,
363.
by the way po, Mon po.
Okay.
This program.
Sige mo, nasa YouTube ka na mamaya. Oo nga, seriously, lalagay ito sa YouTube. Okay lang ba?
Sir, ito po yung drinks po.
Sige.
Tapos yung
363 daw. Mon, buy ka na sa camera.
Oo, sikat na si Mon. Makikita ka na sa YouTube.
Ayaw mag-buy oh.
Aba, requestan niyo lang po yung pizza po.
Ayun pala eh, okay.
Your street po.
Large choice, large.
Tapos po yung
Shaky, kala ko pizza.
pepperoni po.
Thin crust na.
Apo, thin crust large din po.
Okay.
Magkano yung 300 something, di ba?
363.
Oh, ito na. Oh, divide by. May isa niya ka, mami. Magkano po? May 500 kayo?
Meron.
Ay, may change ka. Okay. Bayad ko. Okay. Mamaya rin ko lang.
So they're now paying the pizza. All in all, the bill is 363 pesos. Yeah, it's 363, and we gave him a 500 money. Okay, so we'll have to stop the video now. Myla, there you are, our third contestant. You were trying to run away from me.
Emergency! It's an emergency!
She doesn't want to be interviewed. Okay, well that's all. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.